Today we're going to make this fall grapevine curly ribbon wreath. Welcome to Stillwater's Wreath Designs. Come on in. We're going to start out by building our wreath on an 18-inch grapevine base. And we'll be adding this cute pumpkin sign found at Hobby Lobby. You want to take a minute to clean up your grapevine by snipping off any loose pieces. You'll want to grab 3 brown pipe cleaners and your crafting stapler. I'm stapling the pipe cleaners to the back of the sign, one at the top and one on either side. Next, I add 2 squeezes of glue on top of each staple just for some extra security. Now it's time to attach our sign to the grapevine base. I'm just running my pipe cleaners directly through the grapevine and securing it tightly on the back. I'm giving each pipe cleaner several tight twists on the back of the grapevine, and then I'll use my small snips to trim off the excess bit of tie. Time for the next step. I'm going to make 3 bows to add to the bottom portion of the wreath, one in the center of the bottom portion and one on either side. I'm using 5 different types of wired ribbon, both 2.5 inch and 1.5 inch, all fall themed, and my tails are approximately 12 inches long, and I'm making 2 loops with each of the ribbon types. Once the bows are made, I am securing them down into the grapevine wreath base with some pipe cleaners. Once all of your bows are in place, make sure you pull all of your tails so they're pointing downwards and fluff out all the loops on the 3 bows. Now take a couple of minutes, grab a good pair of scissors, and trim all the ends of your ribbons. I'm not cutting any length off, I'm just angle cutting all of my ends. Of course, you could also dovetail if that's your preference. Now it's time to curl each and every ribbon tail on our wreath. I've kept an old cardboard insert from the center of a deco mesh tube that I keep in my toolbox, which is perfect for curling ribbon. You'll just wrap your ribbon around the tube all the way up to the base and release. Now it's time for the last step. I'm just going to glue a few pieces of long wispy fall greenery to either side right above each of my bows. I like to dry place them first as a practice run. Once I'm happy with their placement, I hot glue them down one by one. And for the very last embellishment, I'm just adding 2 picks of fall bittersweet right in front of the greenery bits. And that's it, friends. I hope you enjoyed creating this quick and simple wreath with me today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my little channel to grow. Thanks, friends. Happy crafting.